Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. Well, Wix lets you fully customize forms for your business or even website. So in today's small tutorial, I show you how to create a custom form on Wix in 2026, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, as for now, open your device, make sure you are fully connected to the internet and all of that. Go all the way and look for wix.com in your favorite browser. After this, open the website like this. They're gonna take you to this new page where you should usually just log in using your email address and password. So we can go all the way to design site to open the website or the Wix website editor. Just tap on design site and it will basically take you automatically to this editor. As for now, we're gonna wait till it fully opens. They're gonna prepare our website. It's totally normal to be delayed for some seconds. After this, we're gonna go and look for the plus button or add elements button here. So all you're gonna do is tap it. Then you will be able to see multiple options, including contact and forms. Basically a lot of options. Okay, so now you are looking for a custom page basically, or a custom forms. As you see, there is multiple options here: all site chat, Wix chat, donation, subscribe, request, application, contact, create new form. So basically, create new form, which means that you're gonna create a one depending on your vision. All you're gonna do basically is tap on create a new form, and basically I will show you how. I will show you how right now. They're gonna tell you add in a new Wix form, so you're gonna wait again. The dashboard gonna open, and you will be able to see a total new form that you can customize, whatever you want, including the last name, the basically services, the phone, the date. It depends on you. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.